Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome back to my bedroom. So today we're going to do a packing video and I'm in a great mood about this because we're going away on holiday. We are going to Crete in a few days and I am going to pack myself and my youngest, who is 6, into this suitcase. Today I'm going to use standard packing cubes rather than compression packing cubes, and this is because we're going for a longer amount of time on holiday. So what I will do is I will file fold into the majority of the packing cubes, and then when I get to my destination I will just simply open them up, put the lid underneath and pop them in drawers so we can live out of the packing cubes. I have 2 different colours of packing cubes, one for Arthur and one for myself. This just helps you stay organised, and when we return, because I get this question a lot, when we return we will split all the clothes into washing and non-washing. This is super easy to do because everything will already be packed. You just need to transfer over the packing cubes, and instead of splitting them by person, I'll then split them by washing and myself and my son. The great thing about this is because I'm file folding today, especially Arthur's clothes, because his are all folded, I will literally be taking them out of the drawer and into the packing cube. Let's get Arthur's clothes. So this is where we keep all of Arthur's clothes. This chest of drawers here is from IKEA. It's called a Cullen and it is a super good price and I highly recommend. The top 2 drawers are shallower than the bottom 3 because there's another very similar set of drawers, but that's how you distinguish. So this is Arthur's drawer with all his socks and pants. So that is the pants and socks. So next we've got t-shirts and long sleeve tops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 t-shirts. We definitely need a jumper. This is his favorite jumper from Next, so we'll take that. And we've got 2 zip-ups, which I cannot see anywhere at the minute, so maybe they're in the wash, but I'm gonna find his zip-ups. Right, let's go for shorts. Okay, so I think we've got Arthur's clothes. I just found a few more bits in the wash basket. So we can get out the packing cubes now. In terms of what packing cubes I use for what, you always seem to get this very long, nice rectangular packing cube. I love this for socks and pants. So we're gonna put socks and pants in there. And with these standard ones, you can do 2 layers, definitely. Socks, and then we can put his swim shorts in there as well. You can see that's all nicely packed. Now, these have just come from the wash basket, but let me show you how I fold PJs. Okay, so if you lie the PJs flat, take your trousers and fold them in half and lay them to the side, and then fold over like this, pull the sleeve in, and then just fold up. So it's all in a nice package like that. Okay, so we've got socks, we've got all his clothes, all his underwear, swimwear, PJs. I think Arthur might be done. This is kind of roughly what I want to pack. I have gone for a light pack for what I would usually take. Let me actually just run you through roughly what I'm taking. We are literally, I don't know if we'd call it a holiday. I think we'd more call it, we're just gonna go and work somewhere else for a week. That's my perfect holiday. Now with vest tops and spaghetti tops, I like to do this 3rds fold, which just goes folding the top down and then the bottom up. So you just fold it into 3rds. And then from here you can fold or roll. See, this is the kind of folding when it's one on top of the other, because obviously these are going to get hung up, so I'm not going to bother file folding. But this is the sort of pack that I'd probably use a compression packing cube for. Now, and then just make that smaller. So then it's like a jigsaw puzzle, but these should all fit in one side, and then Arthur's should fit on his side. I usually wear this to the airport because it hides well underneath your, so I put my passport in, it hides under my top. This is my toiletry bag, the most fantastic toiletry bag on planet Earth. You're not new here, so you'll know that I've been shouting about this for years and years and years. And I bought this one this year because they came out finally with some new patterns. And this is the size large, and you can also get a size medium as well. But the shape is what is so fantastic, because this, let me show you, this will fit beautifully with your packing cubes because of the shape. Right, well that is it. I think that's it. Like I said, I just need to pack my underwear, which will go maybe on Arthur's side. So that's it. That is how I pack a suitcase for myself and my 6-year-old for a week away in the sun, a quiet week away in the sun, I should add, with not much going on. If there's anything else that you want to learn from packing or folding or organising, please leave a comment, and that will help me be inspired for future YouTube videos. But for now, I hope that was helpful, and if it was, please let me know because I love to chat about it. Anyway, have a great day everyone, and I will see you soon.